Today, I'm going to give you a complete A to Z masterclass on how to go from $0 to $30,000 per month with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now, you may not believe me. Here's proof. In the last 30 days, my account has done over $32,000 profit straight to my bank account. And I did this without investing a single dollar in ads, in inventory, and all from the comfort of my home. And you can do this too. So today, I'm going to give you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to get started with TikTok Shop affiliates. Let's get into it. All right, so let's cut the fluff and BS and dive into the step-by-step process of getting started with TikTok Shop affiliates. Low key, this is one of the greatest opportunities that I've ever seen. And for those that don't know me, my name is Trevin Peterson. I've been in the online space for the last 8 years and I've made close to $20 million. And when I say this, I literally mean it. The TikTok Shop affiliate program is some of the easiest money I've ever made online. Last month, $30,000 profit without buying ads or inventory. I don't know what business model allows you to do this, but the opportunity in front of you is a gold mine. So make sure to take advantage of it. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment. I appreciate your support. And let's jump into my screen and let's first talk about what is the TikTok Shop. So before you can start making money, you need to understand the business model in of itself. And there's a lot of people that get this confused. So with TikTok Shop, there are actually two types of models. There is the selling side, which means you are selling your own product, you're buying the inventory, you are sending it to the customer, or there is the affiliate side, which means you are promoting other people's products, and every sale that you generate, you get a small commission. And so right here, you will see, if you go on TikTok and start scrolling, there will be people talking about products. And then right down below, there is an orange shop icon. And if you click that link and buy the product, the creator will get a commission. And so what I am doing is I am making videos talking about other people's products. And when people watch that, buy the product, I get a commission. And that is exactly how I generated $32,000 profit in the last 30 days. So that is the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now what I want to do is break down the steps to actually get started. So the first step is to become an affiliate. Without this, it is impossible to start making money. So there are certain requirements in order to become eligible. So let's break down those requirements. The first one, the most important, is you have to have over 5,000 followers. And before you freak out, I got you covered. I'm going to break down how you can grow organically or how you can actually acquire an account. I'll break down those steps here in a second. But that's the first requirement. The next is follow community guidelines. The next is to be 18 years or older. And then this only works right now in the UK and the United States. So there are additional marketplaces that are going to be rolling out, but those are the two main marketplaces. So if you live in those areas, you can move forward with the affiliate program. So those are the requirements. Now, how do you actually apply? And what I want to do is come into my phone and actually show you the process of applying for an account. So right here, we are inside of an account that I actually got for my wife. As you can see, we've got the 5,000 followers. We have the videos. And if you come to the top right-hand corner to the little hamburger icon, it will pull up TikTok Studio. You click on that and you scroll down to the monetization bar. You will see TikTok Shop for Creator. Now, this will only appear if you are eligible. So in other words, if you have the 5,000 followers, you meet community guidelines, you're 18 years or older. And if you don't have that, this won't even show up. So there's a lot of people who are like, well, I'm not getting the TikTok Shop for Creator icon in this because you're not even eligible. So the first thing that you need to do is have an account that is. Then from there, you're going to click on this and it says promotes products, earn commissions. You are eligible to apply. As you can see, these are the requirements. And then you're going to hit apply. And as you can see, I actually got rejected. And the reason being is this account has fake followers. So there's a lot of people that are going in and trying to buy followers, which is what I did. And I'm just doing this as a case study to show you that you can't do that. You have to have an account that is legitimate, that has been grown organically, because if not, you're not going to get approved. So that is the only con to the model. But lucky for you, there are options that you can follow in order to get your account unlocked. And those two options are growing an account from scratch organically, which I'm going to show you guys some strategies, or two, you can acquire accounts that are completely TikTok affiliate unlocked. So if we come over here into my screen, we're going to jump into what's called a Reviewer Champions School Community Group. This group is absolutely insane and it's just blowing up. We have close to 4,000 members and the value and just the people inside this group is amazing. I'm going to put the link down below. It is $5 per month and you guys are going to get access to all of these cool benefits. So right here, if we come over to the classroom tab, one of the very first courses that we have is 0 to 5,000 followers. Inside this course, we show 3 techniques that you guys can use and implement to grow an account fast to over 5,000 followers. Again, completely organic. And so these steps are going to show you how you can basically take this account account, start it, and get unlocked for the affiliate program. So that's the first strategy. The second strategy is you can actually buy an account. So if you want to just take the shortcut, you don't want to actually put in the effort to grow an account, you can actually go in and buy an account. And this does require some more capital, but it is that shortcut and you're able to get started a lot quicker. So that's the first step, is you need to become an affiliate. So whether you have the 5,000 followers, you have the account, you would apply just like I showed you, or you would go through the steps, grow organically, or you can actually acquire an account from us that is completely TikTok unlocked. Now, jumping to the second step, you need to find products. In order to make videos, you have to have the products in hand. So I'm going to show you how you can find products that may be already around your house, or you can strategically buy these products and get what's called refundable samples. Or in other words, you buy the product and once you generate commissions, the seller will actually refund you. And then once you scale your account enough, brands will actually send you these products completely free. So there's not a lot of risk when it comes to finding these products. So let's jump into my screen and I'm actually going to show you guys exactly how this is done. And again, I'm not BSing you. In the last 30 days, $32,000 profit, which is just crazy. Last 7 days, 9,600. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your TikTok shop profile, and at the very top it says shop. And this is where you're actually going to scroll and see if there's any products that catch your attention or products that you already have at your house. So for example, Ghost energy drinks, like if you have or drink energy drinks, you could make a video on this product. You may have this basketball hoop, you might have this hoodie, you might have this retractable leash, or you're like, oh, I actually like that and I want it. And so you can literally go right here and you can buy it for $13, or you can keep scrolling until there's something that is like, oh, I actually want that product. So that's the first thing, is scroll and see if you can find products that you already have, or you can come right here and actually search for it. And so if there's something like, for example, a digital tape measure that you have, or construction tools, you can search for the keyword and then you can find the exact product that you already have at your house. So that's the first way. The second option is to actually go in and get what's called refundable samples. So I'm going to show you guys how that's done. So I'm going to come back over here to my TikTok Shop Creator Center, and I'm going to go to the product marketplace. And this is where I'm going to go and see if there are any products that I can go in and get what's called a refundable sample. So once you become an affiliate, this is where you will have access to this, this tool set. And if you don't, then you're not going to have access. So I'm going to see right here, this, I don't know what it is. It's a language translator. And it says, as you can see right here, refundable sample. It's 58 bucks. And if I click on this, I can see that if I order it and if I generate 3 sales, I will get a refund. And so that is where you will have to go in and buy this product, pay 58 bucks, but then if you generate 3 sales, you get that $58 back plus the commissions that you generated for the 3 sales. And then from there on out, every time you sell one, you're just making more and more. So that is the strategy of finding products. Again, find products that are already at your house, or you can come right here and find products that you can buy, and then you can get a refund if you generate X amount of sales. So that's step 2. And step 3 is film and upload viral videos. So this is one of the most important parts, and I'm literally going to show you step by step how I am doing this. So this is a product that I got on the TikTok shop. It's an energy drink. I actually love it. And I'm going to film a video. I've got my camera and I'm going to film this live and I'm going to edit it. I'm going to upload it and I'm going to tag the product, literally showing you the entire step 3 process. So right here, this is exactly how I do it. This product should be illegal. It is that good. It's called Lost and Found. It's an energy drink that has 150 milligrams of caffeine, only 10 calories, 0 sugar, and it seriously tastes amazing. And the best part is they're actually running a flash sale on the TikTok shop, so you can click the link down below and get it today. So that's the video that I just did about this. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a screen share and show you how to actually upload it. Okay, so now that we're back in my phone, I'll show you guys how to upload it. Hit the little plus icon, then click the bottom right-hand corner, which will open up your videos, and then select the video that you just filmed, which is this one. And what I'm going to do is you can edit it. And so I'm just going to trim the front and make sure that it is right there, and then trim the back. And so it's perfectly clear. And then I can come right here and I can even throw some captions on it. And so this will literally automate the process and throw some captions. I can do style, I can click this, and then just like that, I put this and it is just like that. So that is how I edit. Then I'm going to come over here and hit next, which is then going to take me to my description, which I can say best energy drink. And then I can do hashtags. And so just like that, I added the hashtags. I can come over here and I can add a cover, And that is a great cover. Then we'll come over here and we'll go to add link. And again, the only time you can add a product link is if you are an actual affiliate. So if you're not approved, you cannot even do this. I'm going to hit product. And then from there, I'm going to search for lost and found. And as you can see right there is the product itself. I'm going to add it and I'm going to give it a product name, energy drink, sugar free. That's great. I'm going to hit add. And just like that, I'm going to hit post. So that is the exact process. Literally just did that for you live. I filmed the video and I uploaded it. So now you guys have zero excuse on knowing how to get started. So that is the third step. The fourth thing that I want to touch on is literally the most important out of all of the steps, and that is post, post, post. What I just showed you, you are going to do that 10 times over again every single day, as many videos as you possibly can. You find products, you then upload the video, tag the products, and then you just rinse and repeat. And if you can do that consistently for months or several months, you are literally going to start printing money. But the issue is most people won't put in the work that is required. Now, it is the most simple and easy and risk-free opportunity that I've ever seen. You're not going to take advantage of it because you're lazy. So I'm hoping I'm talking to the 1% of you that is going to take this information and implement it and change your life, because it has literally changed my life, and it hasn't just changed mine, but it's changed thousands of our students. Again, that school group, I'll put the link down below. You guys can go through the process. We have tons of other resources. If we come over here, we don't just have the 0 to 5K follower. We have the winning product blueprint. So what is the best product? We have viral hooks. We have additional trainings when it comes to other opportunities to make money online. Literally everything is right here inside this group, and you guys can get access to it right now for $5. The price is not always going to be this way. So if you guys want to get in, make sure to act fast. Again, I'll put the link. It is a Masterclass TikTok Shop affiliates. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you in the next one.